I'm just a truck driver, sweetheart. Kiss him goodbye every other week. Sure, I don't know who he's seeing when he goes, but I don't ask what he don't speak. And I'm just a truck driver, sweetheart. Lots of pretty girls that he may see, but I don't fret and moan. I figure his time's his own. And besides, I notice he keeps coming back to me. How can you stand not knowing, you ask me? How can you stand curiosity's pain? Well, I don't care just as long as he's laughing when he greets me, and he treats me just the same. And I'm just a truck driver, sweetheart, and I'm as glad as I can be. What I don't know won't hurt me, and he has yet to desert me. And a truck driver, sweetheart's just what I want to be.